I picked this vintage heat lamp up option. Can't use it as a heat lamp anymore because it's just too old. So what I'm going to do is just convert it into a really nice desk lamp, table lamp, a lamp. So the first thing we do is break it down into its component parts. Some are going to get used again, some aren't. The reason for this being the wiring is nasty, so we're just going to get completely rid of that just straight out of the bat. Also the switches, I wouldn't trust them because again they're very, very old, so we're going to switch those out for new ones. And that's it, pretty much broken down. There are a few bits which are going to be broken down even further because we need some parts of the actual heat lamp head element to hold the new bulb in there, but literally other than that most of it's going to get used again. So now we're going on to stripping the paint off it. I was 50-50 on whether to keep it like that and just do a clear coat over it, keep the patina, but nah, I wanted a nice retro look with this, wanted it nice, bright and bold, so that's where we're going next. I'm not going to show you the whole stripping process because this took hours and hours. But as soon as it was done, we're on to the next bit, which is a lot more fun than taking the paint off. But first, this is where I'm doing the work on the heat element. The bit on the top basically pulls everything out of the top of the light, the lampshade. So what I'm doing, I'm going to use that so I can actually mount the bulb in there, so it's not sitting right in the end, and I can actually reach it. And when it gets sold, or if it gets sold, people can actually change the bulb without much problem. So now, after a quick sand, we're onto the primer coats of the base and the lampshade now. The only bit that doesn't get painted is the inside of the lampshade because it's a really nice shiny material. Looks absolutely fantastic, to be honest. So that's the only bit we're leaving. And we had to go for my favourite colour, bright red. I do find painting rather therapeutic, to be honest. Not just this sort of painting, but other stuff that's way more artistic as well. So if you have a look back at some of my other videos, you'll see some of the other things that I do. Now that's done and the paint's cured, on to the rebuild. I'm a little bit bummed out here with the wiring because for the top part, if I left the cotton covering on it, it wouldn't fit through, so I had to take it off. Unfortunately, it just fit through. And as you can see here, these were the parts of the holder for the heat element, and it just brings the bulb forward from the rest of the lamp, so it's a lot easier access wise for changing the bulb. I am by an electrician, and everything I do always gets checked by an electrician before it even goes out. And I'd suggest you do the same. If you're not confident with your electrics, don't bother doing it. I wanted all the connections to be really solid, so I did use solder for everything. I also used heat wrap instead of electrical tape. I thought it just looked nice. It just keeps everything a hell of a lot neater underneath. So the printer is the neutral layer that goes straight through, and the live goes to the switch, so you can switch it on and off. Like I say, background music is done by Josh Woodward. I'd suggest going on joshwoodward.com. Some absolutely amazing tracks, a bit of everything, and just some of them a little more energetic African music. Now for a quick test, just to make sure that I've done everything right. And now the electrics are back on with the heavy bass. Quick wipe down, and we'll move on to the finish. So this is going to sit in my office / studio for a little bit. I'm really happy with the finish on it, really happy how it looks. I think fantastic on anyone's desk, on anyone's sideboard, as a reading lamp, desk lamp, whatever. I just want to thank everyone for watching. Please like, comment and follow.